Picture this: a sunny day at the beach, kids are building sandcastles, families are enjoying the sun, and there's one person watching over all of them. A superhero? Well, close enough. They're a lifeguard. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about becoming a lifeguard. We'll explore what lifeguards do, why their job is vital, and how this role promotes diversity and social impact. Lifeguards are our first line of defense against potential water-related accidents. They're trained to recognize hazards, prevent accidents, and respond to emergencies. From spotting a struggling swimmer to performing CPR, their role is crucial to keeping our beaches, pools, and water parks safe. But there's more to being a lifeguard than meets the eye. This job is about promoting diversity and inclusivity. How? By representing and serving people from all walks of life. From the shores of California to the beaches of Australia, lifeguards are as diverse as the communities they serve. In fact, in 2023, the International Lifeguard Association reported a rise in the number of female lifeguards in G7 countries. Similarly, initiatives are popping up worldwide to encourage more ethnic diversity and inclusion of individuals with disabilities in lifeguarding. Now let's talk about the social impact of lifeguarding. Beyond their obvious role in ensuring safety, lifeguards educate us about water safety. They help us become more responsible, more aware, and more inclusive as a society. And did you know that lifeguards have been making waves outside their traditional roles? In Europe, lifeguards often volunteer in missions to rescue refugees at sea. And in 2022, a lifeguard team in Singapore was recognized for their quick response in rescuing a toddler. Now, if you're looking to hire a lifeguard or become one, we have some useful tips. For recruiters, remember to look for relevant certifications, assess physical fitness, value diversity, test problem-solving skills, and check for soft skills. For those of you who want to become lifeguards, start by getting the necessary certifications, tailor your resume and cover letter, use job search platforms, network, and prepare for your interview. Now, I know you may have questions, so let's answer some common ones. First off, to become a lifeguard, you need to complete a training course and be certified in first aid and CPR. Secondly, yes, you need to be physically fit. Lifeguarding is a physically demanding job. As for whether lifeguarding is a full-time job, it depends on the location and the time of the year. Beach lifeguarding is often seasonal, while lifeguard positions at indoor pools, water parks, and resorts may be available year-round. And how can you promote diversity and inclusion as a lifeguard? Simple. Treat everyone with respect and fairness, no matter their background. Finally, how much does a lifeguard earn? Well, that varies, but according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics in 2022, the median pay for lifeguards in the United States was about $11.74 per hour. So there you have it. Being a lifeguard is not just about sitting on a high chair with a whistle around your neck. It's a fulfilling job that requires skills, dedication, and a commitment to promoting diversity and inclusivity. It's about making a real impact in your community and potentially saving lives. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of lifeguarding. Remember, no matter how calm the water looks, it's always safer when there's a lifeguard on duty.